So, Bhabhi Lal Mure, I think you have joined for today for the first time. Yes, Bhabhi Lal?
Yes, sir. Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Have you seen the video? Yeah, yesterday's video?
First time, I think the program has started already from yesterday.
No worries. You can attend next time
I
also.
think.
Yes, no problem. You can have a look into the video, and if still any doubt persists, the next workshop has been announced for next Saturday, so you can again join. So it's not like this is for one time. You can join for next also, and any number of times you can join if still your doubt persists or in case you miss something. Right. Okay, then yes, Prince Kumar. Okay, that was Ganeshji. Yes, Mr. Ganesh. Any doubts you have? Because I didn't receive homework of much. I received, I think, for Dev Sharan and one or two more.
Sir, I'm sorry to say, sir, I suffering from fever last night. So
Okay.
I tried to do, but due to physical illness, sir, I am able to do, but due to severe pain in my headache and body, so I not
No
send
worries.
sorry for that. I will
Yes,
send you.
Krishna Singh. Okay, no problem. No problem.
I've done but couldn't share
No
नहीं
issues.
किया मैं
That is not
but
the
किया
issue.
मैंने
The
I
point
think
is,
it
yes,
main thing is कि अभी क्या है कि उतना स्पीड अच्छा है बट अभी प्रैक्टिस से स्पीड और बढ़ जाए जो भी मेंटली करने
definitely.
का भी
See,
नहीं आ रहा है
definitely when we are going for it, practice. We need practice. That is one important thing.
अभी आपका जो पासिंग लाइन है उसका हम इस्तेमाल करके यूज करके हम ऐसा कर रहे थे
Okay.
जो लार्ज नंबर्स हैं जो स्मॉल नंबर्स तो मेंटली ही हो जाता है
Yes.
लेकिन बाकी जो लार्ज नंबर्स हैं उसको बाई पासिंग लाइन के थ्रू करते हैं कनेक्ट करके
That is known as balancing line.
बैलेंसिंग लाइन
We call it as a balancing line. So
बैलेंसिंग
we
लाइन के
always
थ्रू
do with that. Definitely, see, like I was discussing, we took so many years to practice on mathematics. So now when we started with Vedic mathematics, definitely we need some time, right?
Of course.
But
Yes,
the point
yes.
is the concept clear? Are we clear about the topic? Are we clear about the concept, or is something going wrong which we are not able to understand? So that is more important, right? So let us start. Okay, anyone has any questions now for yesterday's topic, and so that we can start then?
No, sir, all clear.
Great. So now again,
Yes.
a warm welcome for the second day. See, now this is how you have to start. So I'll again say, applaud yourself, pat yourself, because this is the second move. This is the next move towards learning of Vedic mathematics, right? A journey. Now, why we are doing it? Yesterday, we focused on the point that yes, Vedic mathematics has got certain advantages. So we should learn Vedic mathematics. That is true. But apart from that, now we all might be well settled. You might be in a school, a teacher, or we might be a director or a principal of a school. So why do we need to learn that? People are already doing. So what is the requirement? Why do I need it? Now this is a big $1 million question, because we definitely attain some knowledge. We go for some qualification only because we get something out of it, right? One advantage is clear. Yes, it has got so many positivities, so many advantages, which we can pass it on to our kids, our students, and to the community. But what for ourselves? Hame kya milega isse? So there are so many opportunities knocking our doors. Now, I'll divide these opportunities into two different countries, because two different country people are sitting over here. So when we talk about India, yes, because of this national education policy, implementation of national education policy, this has been a great move. Everybody is now looking for this subject, because once it is implemented, that means all the schools will require a new teacher, a new trainer, a new person who can guide them for Vedic mathematics. And not even one. Big schools will require so many teachers, right? So, and Nepal is not also apart, because generally we have seen that both the countries follow the same more or less syllabus. They follow the same things. So the very first thing is you can start Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. Not to discuss on India, but yes, in Nepal also, when I give seminars, now if I'm giving a seminar in the school, definitely so many parents are interested. Yes, my student, my children want to learn this. So who will teach them? More and more teachers are required. See, I'm just creating awareness, but ultimately who will handle that aware people? You need to guide them better. I cannot train all the people of Nepal. I cannot teach all the people of India. So what we are creating a first list of people, trainers who can further create awareness and definitely earn also out of it. Right. So right from your home, if you don't have an office, if you don't have any business home, if you don't have any physical place from where you can set up your business, you can start right from your home. Second thing, yes, you are financially good enough, so training institutions can be started. And what you'll be teaching in that. Now, what is Vedic maths all about? For whom we can teach? See, yesterday also we discussed right from class 1 onwards in some areas, and otherwise in general we can start it from an age of 8. Age of 8 means class 3rd onwards. So from class 3rd onwards to 9th, it can be implemented. For class 10th, 11th and 12th, because these students are more focused on entrance examinations. So there also we need to teach them with the concepts of Vedic mathematics, but definitely then we will have to shorten them. Means we have to selectively give them some options, some techniques, so that they can score well, they can do good in their competitive examinations. So that means if you are running an institution, you are teaching entire students right from class 3rd to class 9th, and for 10th, 11th, 12th, you are teaching for scholarship examination or entrance examinations. Now, once you are experienced, you can also further train the trainers. You can take training, you can train the teachers, the already existing teachers, right? Seminars, they play a very important role. Every school wants to update themselves. Every school wants that something new should be happening every time in the school. So for that, they generally allow institutions or persons or dignitaries or honorable people to come and deliver some seminars. So you can become one such trainer, right? Home tuitions are also going a very good these days, because after Corona, people don't sometimes, if they are putting up in an apartment or a colony, they don't want their kids to go out and search for tuitions or go to a teacher's house. So then home tutors are playing a very important role. So if you are financially rich enough, so you can set up an academy where you have some tutors with you who can go home to home and they can give you much results, right? So these are the options which you can work as a freelancer. So anyone can act and work as a freelancer for Vedic mathematics, which is the future of tomorrow. Regarding jobs, both, not why I'm saying both, because I think we have only from 2 countries today. So Vedic mathematics trainers, they are in great demand. Now, wherever I have given the seminars, if they are good schools, they want permanent teachers, right? So Vedic mathematics trainers are a key persons which are being searched for. If you see on Facebook or Google job prospects, so schools are writing, yes, they need a Vedic mathematics trainer. So they want in-house trainers also. So jobs opportunities are growing for this field. Yes, more if talking in percentage, so more in India because of implementation, but not less also in Nepal. So we do have. So if anybody of you would be interested, I can suggest you some schools where options are available right now also. Then already Kamal Khan. Okay, some of you I saw some homework. They are already running some institution. They are running some educational or competitive institutions. So such institution can add Vedic mathematics as additional component, right? So it could be a business opportunity or an opportunity as a freelancer for everyone. Any questions you have now?
No, sir.
Yes, Aman, Shilpa, Anita,
No, sir. No.
Ganesh, Kamalakant, Devshan, Bhabilal.
Yes, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Me, Dev. Sir, this Vedic mathematics, is it possible to use from one class or from?
See, now it depends on the crowd. I would say locality. Now, ideally saying what we need for Vedic maths, it is knowledge of tables up till 8 and addition, single digit addition. So when we talk about the students, a class 3 student has got both these capabilities or eligibility. So I generally suggest for age group of 8, minimum 8 years to start with. But when we talk about metros, when we talk about big cities like Bangalore, now there the locality is too advanced. Students are already having their own gadgets. So these small things they already know. And this experiment, now when I was delivering a lecture, the same question was asked by one of a school from Bangalore. And then they said, no, sir, we have already announced that we'll be implementing this from class 1 onwards. So why don't you take one class and then we'll see what is the result. And you will not believe the class 1 students were also able to write tables up till 99 in after 1 hour of class. So that means we cannot define exactly by age also. It depends on the surrounding, it depends on the atmosphere, and it depends on the locality where they are putting up. So in metros, we can introduce from class 1, but ideally, if you say, I would suggest class 3 only. Right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Aman, any questions?
No, sir.
Yes, Aarti, you have any question? Okay, Shilpa. Okay. Now, I think this is a Sunday and everybody. Okay, regarding homework, I gave you one was the assignments I gave you. Second, I asked you to open a Facebook page. Yes, how many of you have done it? Or an Instagram page?
Homework done, but page not created, sir.
Okay. Yes, others?
I have created, sir.
Great. Yes, Krishna saying, you might be already having?
Yeah, I am already having, but not regarding Vedic maths. I have another page.
Now, when we'll discuss why it is required. Right.
Okay.
I'll give you the answer for it also. Now, so many of us, I think most of us or 100% of us are using Facebook, but we all have profiles, a personal page, a personal profiles. Now in profiles, you get friends, but you might have often seen when you are posting regarding your family, your relatives, your trip, your excursion, your personal things, you get 50, 60, 100 likes. The moment you post regarding your business, your school, your institution, your course, nobody even sees that. Nobody even click on that. Yes, have you ever felt this thing?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Why
sir.
does-
Yes, sir.
Why does
Yes,
this
sir.
happen? This happens because, see, people, who is able to see your profile? Only your limited friends. People who are already associated with you, they only share your profile. They only see your profile. Now, your friends, your relatives don't have anything to do with your business. They're least interested in your business, same like you are. Have you ever seen others, what my friend is doing business? Have you ever commented on that? No, because everyone is involved in his or her business. So when it is regarding some personal happenings, we do comment, we do like, but when it is related to business, we avoid it. So that, because we are not bothered. So that means Facebook is not useful for us, for business. No, it is useful, but it has a different way. Now, in that, we don't make a profile, it is a Facebook page. Once we say it is a page, you'll see it has a location, it has a timings, it has reviews, it has jobs, it has got all the things which your physical office has. What does physical office has? A name plate. So same, your name of your company, your that is there. What does your physical office has? It has location. So same location can be held. What does you take as a comment? Reviews, right? So that is the reason why Facebook page is required. When you are starting with a business, when you are starting with your classes, for that personal profile will not work, because you will not get any inputs, you will not get any response, and then you'll feel, oh, Facebook is not useless. No, actually we have to create a page so that people start following us. So in page, we don't get friends, we get followers or we get likes, right? We have a location so that they can reach up to you. We have a jobs option so they can view the jobs. So this is a difference. And then you will see people will start following you or your profile of page, not your personal, right? So we'll discuss on this later also. Okay, so yes, I think only 2 or 3 have created. Yes, anyone else?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have my page for other business.
No issues, but you might have seen this thing.
Yeah,
The
I have
profile,
to,
you don't get likes.
yeah,
So
yes.
So whenever you'll be starting with, see, now there is no limitation for the pages. You can
Yes,
have as many as number of pages, right? Like
Yes.
physically, you don't, you can have as many offices, and same, you can have as many as business pages. The only thing is you have to keep on updating it. You have to post something every day. Now, if you compare, I have around 1800 plus pages.
Okay.
So this is, so regarding every business and every school institution separately. Okay. I think it's Sunday and everybody is dull today. Not so. Let me motivate you. Just have a look on this video. Is it audible?
No,
No,
sir,
sir,
no,
no.
not audible.
Okay,
No
I'll tell
voice.
you. Now I'll give you the voice is a bit low. Okay, he is Mr. Hussain from Nigeria. Again, he's a mathematics teacher. If you see the date, it is 21st April 2021. So last year, he took a course of Vedic mathematics. I will not say he's getting hike in the salary. I will not say, because I don't know, he didn't tell me. But what he told me, yes, he's getting a very positive response from his existing students. Because now in the class also, he's giving tips. For example, yesterday I taught you something regarding multiplication, something regarding tables, something regarding fast multiplication. So if you are a math teacher and if you are giving those extra tips to your students, will they not respect you more? Will they not follow you more? Will they not love you more because you are giving something extra to the students? Because you can give them better, in a better manner. You are already teaching in your conventional maths. And if you are suggesting something different, in an easy manner, they will definitely acknowledge your your efforts. And this happens, right? So he is getting that extra from the students as well as evening tuitions. Similarly, okay, one thing more. If you have seen, now this is very old profile on Quora. If you check with it, I'm the most viewed writer in the world. And if you see the comparison of the first and the second level, it is a huge difference. I would share you later online right now. But why does it happen? Same. You have to give solutions to people. See, if you are positive, if you are giving something back to the society, society will also give you something. So if you are already existing teacher and if you are giving something extra to the students, they will definitely acknowledge. And this is the reason why I am also getting that benefit, right? Another girl. Now she is okay. I'll give you. Now she is Priyadarshini Bora from Assam, a 9th class student. Last year she was in 9th. So just now gave exams of 10th. Now she became the first trainer whom I trained in class 9. And now she's training students of her own age and even above. So if a class 9 student can do it, if a person from so far Nigeria, from where we don't have any links, he can do it, why can't you? Yes, you all can do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No.
You can do it
We
or
can.
not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
can.
Yes, so that should be the positivity. See, only believe one thing. Vedic maths is a journey of transformation. What is the transformation? From fear of maths to confidence in mathematics. So if we are creating that confidence in the children, why not ourselves? First, we should be confident. We should be having the same feeling. Yes, we can do. So if we are confident, everything is possible. Then only we can pass on that confidence to the students. Or without being confident, can we pass it on? Yes? Okay, think on it. Let's start with the topic. The first topic is finding squares of the numbers. So take out your paper and pen and we'll start doing. So the first topic is squares of, let's say, 2-digit numbers. We'll start with 2-digit numbers. Now, what is square? Yes, Ganesh? What is a square?
Multiply same number 2 times.
Okay, times. Okay, great. Yes, Dev Sharan?
Yeah, a number multiplied by itself twice.
Yes,
The
very
result
good.
is multiplied.
So a square of a number is written like this. This is how we write. This is if n is a number, 2 is written, which means that a number multiplied by itself.
Yeah.
Right. So if a number is 1, what is the answer?
1.
1. Similarly, if a number is 2, what is the answer?
4.
4.
Number is 9, what is the answer?
81.
81, very good. So so please write down this table first. We'll use this table to find squares of bigger numbers. The same table we'll be utilizing to find the squares of bigger numbers. And I'll also tell you how important this table is. First, please write down this table. Let me know once you have done it.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Very good. Now, let's say a very simple number we'll start with 15. Now, if you are asked to find a square of 15, what do we do? 15 multiply by 15. Yes? Am I correct? What is the answer?
2 to 5.
2 to 5. I'll tell you. So this is how we do. We start with 5 into 5, 25, 2, 75, this, and 1. So 2 to 5. Now this is our conventional mathematics. For smaller number, it can work. But when the numbers start becoming bigger, this calculation becomes tough because we have carryovers every time. Now see, here one carryover will come, and generally students get confused or they make silly mistakes in such carryovers only, which we discussed yesterday also. Now see the Vedic math trick. What is the square of 1?
1.
Okay, let me write 0, 1. I'll write every number in 2 digits. What is the square of 5?
25.
So let this be the first step. In second step, we'll not write anything below 5. Nothing is to be written below the unit place. And we will multiply all these existing numbers. 1, 5, or you can say 2AB, I'll do. 2 into A is the first digit, B is your second digit. So what is 2AB here? 2 into 1 into 5 is 10. Correct? So leaving the first digit, I'll write the number and just add it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more. So what is square of 19 then? Yes, can you try? 81, 01, 18. Correct? What is that?
361.
Yes, everybody is clear about it? Yes, Krishna Singh, Kamlakant.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, you have to solve these questions. Then only it will
Done.
come.
Done, sir. Done.
Very good. Aman?
Yes, sir. Done.
Now, okay, then what is 17 square?
2AB should 0, 2 into 1 into 7. 7, 14.
289.
So it is 1, 4,
289,
9,
sir.
and then 14. So that is 289. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. See why I told you to write in 2 digits, I'll explain you. Now, let's say if a number is 13. Now, generally what we make a mistake is we'll write 3 as 9. No. You have to write in 2 digits only. 0109. Right. This is why we make a habit of writing it in 2 digits. And then 6, 1, 6, 9. You have to be very careful if a digit is giving you square in a single digit. So that is 1, 2, 3. We'll always get a second digit square in single digit. So at that time, you have to write 0 with it, because when you multiply 2 numbers, the answer should be always in 2 digits. $36 here. Yes, now tell me.
1296.
1296.
Okay. Yeah. So everybody got it, or do you want me to explain? Anyone?
Got it, sir.
Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 48 square.
Yes, sir, got it.
Aarti, yes, Aarti, what do you want?
I didn't get the trick on me. How did you do?
I was asking your name. You didn't. Okay. Did you understand 19?
No,
Did you understand 13?
I didn't understand the trick on me. You can just explain it once again.
Okay. See, we will find the squares of individual numbers. What is square of 1?
1,
What is the square of 9?
18,
81.
81.
The first step is you take this. At second step, you will not write anything below 1.
Okay.
At unit place, you will not write anything. Now you will multiply all these numbers which are visible to you. I'm just giving you a hint. This is basically you're doing 2AB. What is A? A is the first digit, 1. What is the B? 9. So 2 into 1 into 9 is?
18.
Yes. We'll just write 18 and add it. That becomes 361.
Okay.
Right. So in case of 36, here, now square of 3 is 09. Square of 6 is 36. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 into 2 is again 36. So I'll get 1296. Now is it clear, Aarti?
Yes.
Okay, great. What about, okay, 47 square?
Two 2209.
2209.
Okay, yes, Aarti, what is the answer?
I'm not able to do it quicker actually.
Why? 4 square,
16,
7 square,
49,
4 into 7
21, 28,
into 2.
$56.
See, 4 into 7 is 28. 28 into 2 is 56.
56. Yeah.
So add it. 9, 0, 2, 2. Now is it clear? Okay. One more. 73.
$5329.
5329.
Yes, Aarti.
Yes, got it.
So 49. Then 09. Leaving this 21 into 2, 42. Okay. 89.
Sir, I think 8921. 7921.
921.
Okay. Yeah, Aarti, you got it? Shilpa?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah, great.
Yes, sir. Let's go to another, sir.
Sorry?
Let's go to another section.
Means
It's enough.
Let the teacher decide.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So these types of number when we are getting, sir, like 8 9 is 72. You know,
Uh,
72 again 2 times multiply for the children, especially for the 5 class. Maybe they have a problem, I think, sir.
Okay. If they have problem in this, how will they solve this then? 89 square if they are getting, this is the only way out.
72 to the, like these types of 72 is a bigger number, sir.
So that, but you have with what you are multiplying? You are multiplying with only 2.
Sir, this may, I think this multiplication of 2AB maybe take confusion or later time for the students,
No,
I think.
no. You have not thought. See, very first thing, why do you decide on the part of students? I'm not able to understand one simple funda. Are you understanding or not? That is main thing. Why are you bothering about the students will not understand? Believe me, they have got better understandings. See, this is already we are giving it to class 3rd. And they are doing it very good. I'll give you one more trick on this. Don't worry about it. And 72 into 2 is very simple when they have done the tables. Yes, 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 7 is 44. See, what we are decreasing is try to understand. Okay, if a question is coming 89 square, so that means they should leave the question. Or they have the option this 9 9s are 81, 1, 8 here, 9 8 72 and 8 80. Okay, done. Then 0, 8 9 72, 2. Now you have to cross this and put a 7 over here. Then 64 and 7, 71. So that is also a problem. You are doing twice multiplication and one time addition. So what is easier now? And plus you have this silly mistake, what you call it as carryover. Okay, if this is confusing you, I'll give you another concept. I think everybody knows the formula of this. What is A plus B square?
A square plus 2AB plus B square.
This is difficult or this is also, sorry, this is easy or this is difficult?
This is easy, sir. Can you solve the same 89 square with this method?
I will solve. I'll solve. Aarti, wait. Okay. Now, but it would be now. Okay, how will you solve? Yes, Aarti, you are also teaching. How will you solve if it is 89? How will you make it pairs? Or Dev Sharan, yes. Your math teacher.
8 square.
80 plus 9 we can say, sir. 80 plus 9 ko whole square.
Okay. Then
6400.
okay.
Then it will be 2 into, it will be lengthy, sir.
Now, can I proceed? Do we have?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
see, this is a difference. Same formula we will be using, but in Vedic maths, I'll show you what is the power of balancing line. Here, we are going to do it A square, 2AB and B square. And we'll not make A plus B actually. Now, if it was 89, so A is 8, B is 9. A square, 8 squares are 64, 2AB. Now, 8 9s are 1, 8 9s are 72, and now 144. B square, 9 2s are 81. Now, is it clear? Now, this is simple or your this 80 A plus 9?
This is simple, sir.
Okay. Now, what will happen? See, what I taught you yesterday, only one digit at one place value, 1. This goes here. What is 144 plus 8? 152. So that means only
152.
2 will come here, 15 will move further. So what is that? 79. Same thing we were using. I'll show you.
Yeah, actually, I was doing with this process before.
Earlier we were doing a square, b square here, and 2ab we were writing in between. Correct? If you are getting confused in this, you can follow a square, 2ab, b square, but with the help of balancing line. If you will adopt your normal method 80 plus 9, you will never get questions correct. And second thing, it would be very tedious. 6400 plus this plus that, it's very difficult. So just consider A as 8, B as 9. Now is it clear? I'll solve entire question. 64, 81, 144. So 7, 9, 2, 1. Here also 64, 144, 81. So 1 here, this moves here. So it becomes 152. This is balancing what we learned yesterday. And 79. So choice is yours. Yes, Babilal. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Should I give you one question?
Yes, sir,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, any doubt now? And Aarti, we cannot stick to one method. You don't know the students. Are they getting this easier or are they getting this easier? As a teacher, you have to give them options. As a teacher, you have to be very vibrant. How will they understand? We cannot think.
Yeah, got it. Actually, I was doing with the second step what you showed. The first one was a little slow for me. Now I can do the first one, second, both of them.
So that is why I told you I've written so many different methods so that it should be very easy. See, one thing is very clear. See, Vedic maths is there to simplify mathematics. So let's not make Vedic mathematics stuff that people will run away. It should be very easy for everyone so that everyone can accept it. Okay. Last question, 99 square. Now, this might seem difficult. Why? Because, yes, you have to make so many calculations. And after 15 minutes, I'll give you a trick with which within 1 second you can find this answer.
9801.
Yes, Babilal?
9801, sir.
No, I got it, Kamalkant.
9801.
Okay. So how you got it? 81, then
81.
81.
Then 900.
81, 81, 162.
Babilal. Yes, madam, you can speak.
Yes, sir.
162, correct? Now this was a tedious one because it took some time, correct? I'll give you one more concept where this number would be done in mentally within a second. But before that, now I told you when I started with the topic, I said for numbers, 2-digit numbers. But let's go beyond that. 102. Yes, can you solve this? Yes, Babilal?
Sir, I'm trying.
Bataiye. How will we solve this, Krishna?
Sir, 10404.
Okay. कैसे?
Sir, 10404.
कैसे आया? आंसर तो ठीक है, आया कैसे?
सर मैं 2 भाग कर दिया, 10 को ए ले लिया, 2 को बी ले लिया।
आपने 10 को ए लिया, बी को 2 लिया,
हाँ
और हमने कर दिया 100।
100 04। हाँ फास्ट मेथड में कीजिए सर, फास्ट मेथड में तो इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, सेकंड नहीं।
आप फर्स्ट ही कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं, सबको वो नहीं समझ आया था। सो 40 and 4
04।
10404।
जो सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट इस मेथड का, सेकंड मेथड का, ये था कि अगर आप 4 भी लिखोगे तब भी गलत नहीं होंगे। 04।
हाँ सर हाँ।
ये बेनिफिट है सेकंड अप्रोच का, कि
हाँ
फर्स्ट मेथड में आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि 04 ही लिखो, बट इन सेकंड अप्रोच यू कैन, even if you have written 4, then also it is correct. So this is 10404. Yes, Aarti, did you get the answer? Now I have
Yes,
a
sir.
question on this. Can I write like this? A as 1.
Yes, sir. I have done through the base method actually.
No, I am not. We are not doing multiplication right now. We are doing scaling. It's okay. Yes. Can we write? Yes, Bhabilal. Who solved this first? Kamlakanta.
Sir,
Can we write A as 1 and B as 02? Can we do like this?
A1।
जोक तो नहीं मैंने मारा।
नहीं सर, सब दिमाग में नहीं आ रहे।
मैंने कहा जोक है तो मुझे भी समझा दो।
नहीं सर, दिमाग में नहीं आ रहे।
बोलिए। यस देव शरण। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, बच्चा तो पूछ लेगा ना, तब क्या बोलेंगे? ए को 10 क्यों लिया भाई? कहाँ लिखा है कि ए को ही 10 लेना है? अमन, गणेश।
No, sir.
यस भाभीलाल।
You have to see the place value. Only 2 is extra than 100. 100 is easy to calculate.
हाँ 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 सर प्लीज।
क्या बोलिए भाभीलाल।
No idea, sir.
ओके, नाउ भाभीलाल यही कराएं, टॉपिक के शिफ्ट करें। See, now you have to be. It can be done, but what care you have to take is, now you are putting unit digit as a 2-digit number. So A square means 1, B 2AB. So 2-digit number, you have to maintain that 2-digit only. And what is B square? 04. This is your answer. Now you will say, sir, अब आपने एक digit नहीं रखा. I taught you this only. Maintain one digit at one place value. Because at every time we were considering in the question also 1 digit. But here we have manufactured, or we have placed 2 digits at unit place. So same, you have to maintain 2 digits at every position. Got my point? Now, why this I taught you this? Let me show you one example. If it is five, okay, 512 if is the question and you have to find square of it. तो क्या करेंगे आप? A को 51 करेंगे, तो that means 51 square you have to find. B को 2 कर देंगे. But the other way out is very simple. If you make A as 5, B as 12. Now 12 square everybody knows. See,
सर 2 6 3 4 4 मैंने निकाला मैंने।
so 25, 12 into 5 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120, and 12 square is 144. सिर्फ 1 shift किया, 44 as it is, 21 here, and this becomes here 26. This is your answer. But अगर A 51 रख के चलते तो आप पहले 51 का स्क्वायर निकालिए. What is 51 square?
Difficult.
What is square of 51? अभी तरीका बताया, उसको कैलकुलेट कर लो. 25, 01, 10.
2601. 2601.
So then you would have got 51 square as 2601 slash 2AB. 51 into 2 is 102. 102 into 2 is 204.
04.
And 2 square is 4. So 4 as it is, 4 as it is. This 20 was supposed to go here. It becomes 2621. So same answer. But efforts kahan kam lage? When we took A as 5 and B as 12. So this you have to visualize. I told you first thing yesterday also. Vedic maths means V for visualization. हर चीज आपने visualize करनी है. किसी टीचर ने आपको आंसर चाहिए 5 और 2 का, वो ये तो नहीं कह रहा A को 51 रख के B को 2 रख के करिए. आप A को 5 और B को 12 कर लीजिए. So whatever is easy for you, whatever is comfortable for you, that only you will do, na? Yes, any doubt now? Any questions you have on this topic? Yes, Krishna?
No, sir. No, sir.
If you don't have, solve this question. Very easy one. 121 square and solve by both the tricks, both the way. Keep A as 1, B as 21. Keep A as 12, B as 1. Try it.
One 14641. 14641.
Okay. Yes. Others? Aman? Kabilal?
14641.
Okay. Yes, Ganesh, where are you today? No answers? See, one thing I'll tell you, if you want to learn something, switch on your videos. ऐसे आपका भी ध्यान भटकता रहेगा और मैंने भी अगर ऑफ कर दिया तो आपको समझ आएगा. If you have paid, what for you have paid? Yes, Babilal? For what we have done it? You're discussing, still not. Okay.
Sir, I have confusion in 3 digits.
बोलिए.
सर ये 6 digit वाला थोड़ा समझ नहीं आ रहा. 2 digit
बताइए
तो
कौन
ठीक
सा
था.
नंबर नहीं समझ आया?
3 digit में लगभग कोई भी समझ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
क्या?
पहले वाला मेथड ठीक था.
नहीं, मेथड तो अभी भी वही है. एक बात बताओ, छोटे नंबर्स ही आएंगे क्या पेपर में?
नहीं सर वैसा नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे को थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
तो आप ये देखिए 121 आ गया. अब इसको डिवाइड क्या करें हम? बड़ा नंबर आ गया तो कहीं तो इसको हल निकालना पड़ेगा ना. तो A को 12 बना देते हैं और B को 2, 1. ये कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ ये कर सकते हैं.
तो इसका क्या है? चलिए बोलिए. व्हाट इज A स्क्वायर?
144.
144.
अमन कोई बोलने दीजिए, उनको डाउट हो रहा है ना. ये अमन
144.
क्यों 144 किया? क्योंकि A स्क्वायर है. ठीक है. 2AB कितना हुआ? 2 into 12.
2 into 1 what? 288 into 1
भैया
288.
288 किसको कर दिया आपने? 2
नहीं,
into A
नहीं,
into B है ना. तो A क्या है? A 144 है.
नहीं सर.
What
2
is
into
A?
12 14 into 1 14.
और 2 into 12 14 होता है.
2 into 2
24.
2 into 12 करना पड़ा ना, 40 क्या कहते हैं 24
इसका क्या आंसर
24
आएगा?
into 1 24
तो 24 रख दिया। व्हाट इज बी?
B 1 है
1 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा?
1
तो 1 एज इट इज, 4 एज इट इज, क्योंकि सिंगल सिंगल डिजिट है, 2 इसको इधर घेर दिया, 1 4 6 4 1।
हाँ हो गया सर।
अब इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आई?
अब नहीं अक्सर क्लियर सर।
पहले क्या डाउट आ रहा था? आप 144 को क्यों मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं?
नहीं सर, मैं वो पहला वाला मेथड था ना, उसमें 1 डिजिट वाला 2 डिजिट वाला ठीक था, इसमें थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज आ रहा था कि कौन सा क्या ऐड करना।
नहीं,
अब ठीक है सर।
हमने ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा ना पेपर में कि छोटे ही नंबर आएंगे, बड़ा नंबर तो आना ही है। यस,
आना है।
फिर भी ये टफ है। I'll again say, see, I will learn 3 tricks today on scaling only, and you'll see one concept will be too fast. थोड़ा सा टफ दे देता हूँ अभी नंबर, क्योंकि 2 स्टेप्स में करना पड़ेगा आपको। 372 स्क्वायर। नाउ अगर आप A37 लेंगे तो इसको भी सेपरेट करके देखना पड़ेगा, B as 2, और अदर ऑप्शन इज A as 3, B as 72। दोनों केसेस में आपको 2 स्टेप्स करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि 37 का याद तो रहेगा नहीं। We have to find out separately. So just try. Yes, बाबीलाल, समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, I am doing, sir. Doing.
Yes, Durga, कल भी आप, yeah, you can ask Durga if you have any questions, because we have already crossed 1 hour.
Yeah.
Because
Actually,
from the basics we
because of
started.
net problem.
आपने कल का वीडियो देखा?
2849 सर। ओह
नहीं।
सॉरी सर।
वो तो आपको जब कल का समझना जरूरी था ना मैम। होमवर्क
Sir, 138, sir, 138, 384.
वेरी गुड,
138 384.
वेरी गुड। आ गया? डोंट वरी, ये जो बड़े नंबर्स में तंग हो रहे हो, डोंट वरी एट ऑल। जब हम कंसेप्ट करेंगे एक और, उसमें इतना इजी हो जाएगा। बट प्रॉब्लम, सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वैदिक मैथ्स। वैदिक मैथ्स में ये नहीं है कि आपको एक ही मेथड लगाना है, आपके पास बहुत सी ऑप्शंस आएंगी। आपको समझना है कि कौन सा इजी है, इसमें कौन सा मैं मेंटली कर सकता हूं। सो आई टोल्ड यू इट इज मेकिंग थिंग्स सिंपल, राइट। चलिए, एक अभी हमने किया था, सेकंड कंसेप्ट करते हैं विद नंबर्स एंडिंग विद 5। अब ये देखिए, आप सारे वर्बली कर पाएंगे।
हाँ सर, ये जो डिजिट को एक बढ़ा के मल्टीप्लाई करे है ना, ये तो है, लगता है।
नाउ अभी हमने देखा A स्क्वायर, B स्क्वायर, हमारे पास कंसेप्ट आ गया, करेक्ट। देखा, अगर नंबर है A और B, अब हम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इफ द नंबर इज एंडिंग विद 5, इसका मतलब नंबर हो गया A5। A कैन बी अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर, A कैन बी अ डबल डिजिट नंबर। यही हुआ। तो कैसे लिख पाएंगे? A स्क्वायर एज इट इज, इंस्टेड ऑफ 2AB कैन आई राइट 10?
10 है।
B square can I write 25?
Yeah.
A को इधर कर दिया, A स्क्वायर प्लस A, 2 को इधर ले आए, 2 5। एनी डाउट अप टिल हियर?
नो कंफ्यूजन।
तो ये क्या है बेसिकली, अगर आप इसको देखें Can I write like this? A into a plus 1.
Yeah.
और ये 2 और 5 तो है ही है, तो ये आप बैलेंसिंग लाइन भी ना रखें, ऐसे ही रखते हैं 25।
सर 10 कहाँ गया सर?
10 नहीं, 0 है ना, 0 की जगह ही तो वो 2 ऐड हुआ ना,
12.
ए उधर चला गया। ये क्या हुआ बेसिकली? ए मतलब कुछ भी जो नंबर आप यूज करोगे उसको मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है? a plus 1। ये देखिए, सपोज यू हैव नंबर 15, ए की जगह मैंने 1 कर दिया, तो 1 into 1 plus 1 और इधर 25। क्या आंसर आया?
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
तो अब इतना नहीं करने की जरूरत। इसका मतलब जो भी नंबर आपको आ रहा है, फर्स्ट 5 का तो 25 ही आना है, और जो ये नंबर है उसको एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए। एक ज्यादा, ये जो कंसेप्ट लग रहा है ये क्या है? दिस इज अगेन ई कादिकेना पूर्वेना, कि एक ज्यादा हम कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 मोर, 3। सो व्हाट इज 2 into 3? 6। आया समझ?
सर फिर से रिपीट कर देंगे।
जो भी नंबर होगा उसको एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। सपोज 35 है, 35 स्क्वायर करना है। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो आगे 2 पार्ट्स में कर लेते हैं। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड तो आ गया 25। 5 का स्क्वायर हमेशा 25 ही आएगा, कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं। 3 को एक ज्यादा से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 3 के बाद क्या आता है अमन?
4।
तो 3 into 4 क्या होगा?
सर 12।
बस 12 25 आपका आंसर है।
सर थोड़ा सा लॉजिक को जो है ना,
आप बोलो लॉजिक।
नेक्स्ट कौन से
सर इसे मैं लॉजिक में डाउट, हाँ वहाँ जो है जो 10A है वहां पे मेरा रुक गया।
तो इसलिए रुक गया, आप
और
इस
कर दिया।
जीरो को बना रहे हैं।
नहीं
ये
सर,
जीरो में ही
वो
तो
जो
2 ऐड
2
हुआ।
सर 2 जो है वो एक साथ क्यों नहीं हुआ?
मतलब
सर जो
सर
व्यास का
अगर एक मिनट, यहाँ 0A लिखे हैं आपके हिसाब से, तो 0 तो फिर मल्टीप्लाई ऐसे कर ही नहीं सकते।
नहीं
आपको
सर मैं
एक मिनट भैया, 1 सेकेंड, ये लीजिए। 3 5 स्क्वायर कैसे लिखेंगे आप? 3 into 3, इसका a स्क्वायर 9, 15 का 30, इसका 25, ये करेक्ट है?
हाँ सर।
अब समझ आ गया? अब मैंने क्या किया, ये 0 नहीं डाल रहा हूं। अब अगर मैं ये 3 आगे भेज रहा हूं तो ये 10 रहेगा या 0 रहेगा? बोलिए। ये 9 plus 3 हो गया आगे, और यहाँ 2 हो गया, यहाँ 5 हो गया। Yes, Dev. So what is 9? 3 into 3 plus 1. 25. Now is it clear? Yes, Dev Sharan. Shall we move ahead? ठीक है। So what is 45 square?
2025।
ये पेपर की जरूरत नहीं है देव शरण।
2025.
What is 55 square?
3025।
Yes, Babilal.
025.
Now, Durga, are you getting this concept? Because this is very simple and different.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, for me, it's I missed yesterday class. That's
Yes,
why.
it's not related to yesterday. I am doing scaring, which was not yesterday's class. I'm just saying, if you are asked to find a scare of a number, a 2-digit number, now divide the number into 2 parts. The last 5 will give you 25 every time. And the first number is to be multiplied by 1 more. What comes after 5? What is 1 more of 5? That is 6. So multiply both. 5 into 6 is 30. So you get the answer mentally. What is 65 square?
4225.
225. 4225.
What is 75 square?
5625.
5625.
5.
So see, you are able to do it.
75.
What is 85 square?
7225.
9.
7225.
Now you need calculator for this thing. No. 95 square.
1025. No, 902. No, 9025.
Yes, anyone has a doubt in this?
9025.
Let's move further. Bigger numbers. 105 square.
11025.
तो सी आपने हमने अभी कितनी देर लगा के वो मेथड किया था 100 then 2 into 10 is 20 into 500 then 25 so 110 25 आंसर आया था. Now you are doing it verbally. 25 and 10 into 11 is 110. That's all. Is it clear now?
Clear, sir.
Okay. 115.
132, 525.
13225.
Now you got it. Use the concept of 11. 11 and 12 is 132
Yes, sir.
and 5.
सर हेलो सर मेरा नेट कट हो गया था थोड़ा सा रिपीट कर देंगे नेट कट हो
Aman, you
गया था
have to be careful. Yes, what is the question? You ask me the question first.
सर अभी जो ये कॉन्सेप्ट बताया ना अभी जो नया वाला मेरा नेट गायब हो गया था तो
Okay,
कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था अभी
okay,
तुरंत
okay.
कनेक्ट हुआ है
See, when the number is ending with 5, suppose 25 का आपने, suppose 35 का square करना है आपको. तो concept क्या है? If a number is ending with 5, last digit का हमेशा 25 आएगा. Correct?
करेक्ट सर
Whatever is this number, multiply with 1 more. What comes after 3?
4
So what is 3 into 4?
12
बस वो 12 आ गया आपका.
12.
प्लस 1 सीधा
ठीक है. This is ikadikena purvena. The same what we used in tables. तो ये फर्स्ट सूत्र आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं. ठीक है. Okay. So what is 125 square? So what is 12 into 13? 12 के बाद 13 आता है. What is 12 into 13? 156.
125.
तो बताइए. Yes, देव शरण. अब ये बच्चों को
Yes.
याद हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
शुक्र है. See, first
Thank
thing I'll tell you, don't underestimate the students. They can learn. Okay. Now, what is 135 square?
135
Yes, what is 13 into 14? We all are teachers. What happened? 13 into 14.
18225
Yes, Dev Sharan.
14 into 14.
18225
Next
183.
Durga, can you try?
14.
14325.
कभी 3 आएगा. 3 और 4 को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3 आ सकता है कभी.
Sorry, sir.
17225, sir.
See what is, see अब Now this is where we
18225.
correct.
I cannot understand.
Yes. Who cannot understand?
182.25.
Catch it? Yes, Dev Sharan, tell me.
Yeah, 182.25.
Very good. Okay. So now we'll move to last. I'll do 145 here. So what is 14 into 15?
21025.
21025.
1.
21025.
21025.
Very good. Got it now? So this was easy.
Yes.
Better than first one, huh? Okay. So till now we have done two concepts. One is easy approach for the 2-digit numbers. हमने उसमें 3-digit भी किए, but 3 digits became tougher when the number was bigger. Correct? एक दोबारा कर लें उसका 999 square. Can you find out? First approach. Yes, Dev Sharan, can you try 999 square? So either 99 square अभी आपने निकाला था. That was 9801.
100.
इसको आगे डालें तो बताइए क्या आता है. Then I'll give you a very easy approach for this.
990081.
Okay.
990081.
Chalo. So everybody is struggling in this. Second approach we did when the numbers were ending with 5. ये easy था. Now let's come to the third one. जहाँ ऐसे tough questions को deal करना है. We call it as a universal method. The first method was an easy approach to find squares of 2-digit numbers. Easy approach, you can say. Second was finding squares of a number ending with 5 using Ekadikena Purvena Sutra. So we use Ekadikena approach to find it. Now the third is universal approach. Now this works on the different pattern. इसका pattern है a plus 1, sorry, a plus b, a minus b. I'll tell you how. Let's say we take a number 23. Now my target is, suppose if I ask you remove 3 and put 0 over here, how can you do? How can you change 3 to 0? Yes, Dev Sharan. Yes,
Not getting, sir.
ये नंबर 23 है. 23 में I want यूनिट प्लेस पे 3 की बजाय 0 आ जाए, तो क्या करेंगे कि 0 आएगा?
By doing minus.
Minus 1.
Minus 3.
Okay. Any other? Yes, Ganesh, Aman, Babilal, Aarti.
20 plus 3, 25 minus 2 also, 30 minus 7 also.
25 तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं.
है नहीं.
-3.
Both are correct. Plus 3. Now see the how we will do. And when I implement in bigger numbers, you will see. Now 23. If I subtract 3, it becomes 20. Yes. Any doubt?
Add 7.
Any doubt in this? Now, but whatever we have subtracted, हमने ऐसे ही subtract कर दिया, so that should be added also. So what is 23 plus 3.
26.
Just multiply these two numbers. 26 into 20 is 5,
5
0.
2 0.
And to this add square of this or this, 9. So answer is 5 to 9. Now, some of the students will say, no, I'll add 7. Okay. 23 plus 7 is 30. Now I have added 7. So 7 can be subtracted also. 7 should be subtracted also. Whatever is added, that has to be subtracted. Whatever is subtracted, that has to be added. So what is 23 minus 7? 16. What is 16 into 3? 48. 0. What is square of 7? 49. 5 to 9 is your answer. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Durga, you're saying something.
No. I missed all the yesterday class, so
अगर आप उसी बात को
I
फोकस
cannot
करेंगे,
understand.
yesterday वाला सा कोई टॉपिक नहीं है मैम. मैंने आपसे सवाल पूछा, उसका जब आंसर देते जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा. 23 को कैसे बनाना है? अब देखिए एक क्वेश्चन अभी मैंने 1 मिनट पहले दिया था आपको. 999. Everybody found it very difficult. अब ये देखिए 999 कितना इजी बन गया. +1 करें, कितना आया?
100.
-1 किया, कितना आया? 998. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना आता है? ट्रिपल देखो 998 into 1000 कितना हो जाएगा? सिंपल.
108 000.
और +1 कर, बस खत्म हो गया, आंसर आ गया आपका. कितना इजी हो गया ये स्टेप.
वही
अभी हम क्या कर रहे थे पिछले मेथड में? 19. अगर ये 999 हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया तो या तो 99 का स्क्वायर निकाल रहे थे, फिर 9 का स्क्वायर निकाल रहे थे, फिर 2 into 99 into 9 निकाल रहे थे. कितनी कैलकुलेशंस थी. नाउ व्हाट इज द थिंग? नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड?
yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
This is
Yes,
easier part. Okay. C1. 1 1 3 here. Yes, Aman, can you find this?
yes, sir.
करिए. क्या करेंगे हम?
11 plus 1, 12 into 2 करेंगे.
सर आई थिंक 12769.
हम क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. 11 into 12.
स्क्वायर का
इसका मतलब 13 माइनस करें तो you'll get 100. Plus 13 करा 126. 126 into 100 is very simple. 12600 और 13 square is 169.
प्लस कर देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सर मैंने तो ये बोला था सर.
मैं अमन को बोल रहा था, कमलकांत था, कोई बात नहीं.
सर मैंने ये किया, मैंने 13 माइनस नहीं किया, मैंने 3 माइनस कर दिया. 110 कर दिया, यहाँ पे नीचे 160 कर दिया.
अब मैं बताता हूँ कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आती है. 110 जो किया आपने, 11 को तो आपको कंसेप्ट पता है. अगर उसकी बजाय कोई और नंबर होगा तो आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो इसलिए 00 इसलिए लाया जाता है ताकि और इजी हो जाए.
अच्छा ठीक है.
फिर अगर 2 डिजिट नंबर है तो सिंगल 0, ट्रिपल डिजिट है तो 2 0.
-13 कर दिया।
Now is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, Aarti, any questions you have?
No, sir, clear.
It's 3 different approaches. See, so try to understand one important point is Vedic maths is not limited to one particular method. ना आपको एक मेथड से समझना है. Open, keep your eyes open. Whatever suits you, do it.
Sir, if suppose I want to find out 179 square.
Yes, let's do it.
I kindly do this. Sir.
Minus plus 21, 200. Minus 21 क्या आता है? 179 minus 21 क्या होगा?
158.
अब 158 को 2 से तो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो.
सर.
कितना होगा? 316.
316 हाँ. 0.
2 0 और 21 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 441.
441.
ठीक है? Correct or wrong?
नहीं sir, correct, but I think if one will subtract 79 and add 79.
आप समझे मेरी बात नहीं अभी तक समझे. ओके, अगर आप 180 यहाँ बना देते हैं और नीचे 180 178 बना देते हैं तो 178 को 18 से कैसे करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई? ये फैमिली
नहीं सर, मैं 180 नहीं, मैंने सोचा था कि I will subtract 79. मतलब
79 का स्क्वायर आप याद कैसे करेंगे?
हाँ सर, ये तो है. तब
ये तो आपको मैंने क्या कहा, जरूरी नहीं प्लस करना है ऊपर, जरूरी नहीं नीचे. ऊपर प्लस भी हो सकता है, नीचे प्लस भी हो सकता है. It's just कि whatever you add you have to subtract, whatever you subtract you have to add. That is the concept. Got it?
Yes sir.
Any other question anyone has? Good. ऐसे पूछोगे तभी आएगा और इसका मतलब होता है कर रहे हो, सिर्फ बैठे नहीं है. Yes, Krishna, do you have any questions now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Even
This method is called, sir. Name of this method?
universal method.
Universal.
Universal method. Very applicable to all, I think.
Yes, but again बहुत से नंबर. अब देखो एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर देता हूं आपको. One 4991. Try.
Mine.
क्या होगा इसमें? +9 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा?
हाँ सर, मैंने
5000.
+9 कर दिया. हाँ 5000.
-1 करेंगे, -9 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 4982.
82.
Now multiplication with 5 is most. Now why is it easy? Because अभी आपने किए नहीं concept. When you have to multiply by 5, instead of that you can do division by 2, right? तो वो भी आप सीखेंगे धीरे धीरे जब आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. अभी अगर जनरल टेक्निक भी लें तो इट वुड बी 2 4 9 1 0 and we have 3 zeros. So 3 0 लगा दिए. 9 का स्क्वायर है 81. add it. So 24910,081 is your
81.
answer.
हाँ सर ठीक है ठीक है।
Any questions now?
सर एक बार मेरे को बुझाइए ना, 81 फ्रॉम वेयर?
81 कहाँ से आए? जो ये 9 है ना, इसका स्क्वायर। आपको छोटा नंबर लो, पहले छोटे नंबर से चलो। आपने पहले नहीं किया ना। ये देखिए, सपोज हम 89 का स्क्वायर निकालना चाहते हैं, तो का ध्यान दो, 89
Yes.
को 0 कैसे आ सकता है 9 की जगह?
0 10 +1 करके।
+1 करके 90 आ जाएगा। मैं उससे भी सिंपल कर दूं, अगर कि 11 ऐड करूं तो ये 100 हो गया। 100 होते ही हमारी कैलकुलेशन खत्म हो गई ना। 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना सबसे आसान है। 100 +11 किया, -11 भी तो कर सकते हैं, करेंगे? तो क्या
करेंगे?
78।
यस।
तो 78 × 100, ये सबसे आसान हो गया। कितना आया?
हाँ, ये तो
78।
ये तो हो गया।
और 11 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 121। 7921 आ गया। अब जो आपने कहा था, देखो, अगर आपके हिसाब से मैं चलता तो +1 करता, 90 आ जाता। -1 करता तो 88 आ जाता। अब अगेन 88 × 9 कितना होता है? 792।
ओके,
ठीक है,
आई अंडरस्टैंड।
0
यस यस।
+1 करते तो क्या इजी है? 100 करके करना इजी है, क्योंकि वो आपको याद रहेगा। गॉट माय पॉइंट?
यस यस।
कुछ नहीं है, आपकी चॉइस है। आपको जो इजी लगता है, आपकी जितनी कैलकुलेशंस इजी बनती हैं, इफ यू कैन डू 88 × 9, you are free. But if you don't know, convert into 100. आ गया समझ? ऐसे ही
आ गया।
अब ये लीजिए, एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट करते हैं, and then we'll see 200 and 8. Here. Find out. करिए।
Plus
सर 43264।
Very good. So now is it clear, Deksharan, everything? Babilal? Ganesh?
plus 1.
1204.
1204। 208 का स्क्वायर भी अगर करेंगे तो वो भी 40,000 होता है।
Sorry, sorry, sir.
200 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 4 और 4 0,
40,000।
फिर तो आपका, और 208 का उससे कम हो जाएगा।
No, sir, I said 61204.
रॉन्ग।
43264।
61 तो ज्यादा हो जाए ना, 200 से करीब 14 की 50 के बीच में आएगा ना।
थोड़ी
-8
200 आ गया, +8 215 आ गया। तो 16 का मतलब कितना हुआ?
43200।
00
416
64।
खत्म। इतना सिंपल था ये। गॉट इट? चलिए, so let's move to the second part. The second part is ये workshop की, it's not only learning Vedic maths, how to start your classes online. That was also the agenda, that was also the topic. So now we'll learn how to launch online classes, correct? And then we'll go for cubing, जो second topic calculations का है। Any doubt?
सारे जो स्क्वायर में और कुछ है और इतना है?
आज के लिए इतना ही है तो बहुत कुछ।
नहीं स्क्वायर में, मैं स्क्वायर की बात कर रहा हूँ। स्क्वायर में और कुछ है?
मैं स्क्वायर की ही बात कर रहा हूँ कि देयर आर 13 मेथड्स।
अच्छा,
बट अभी 3 ही है।
13 method.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
बहुत easy है, जैसे 5 से किया, numbers ending with 5, numbers ending with 4, numbers ending with 6, numbers ending with 25, numbers ending with 1. You will just enjoy it. बहुत interesting हो जाता है. नहीं आता तो simple यही method use कर सकते हैं. Right. Okay. So again, you'll get the notes. This is ये पहला method था. 23 squared. So 409. Leave the unit place and write the product of the numbers from the tens position. Right. This is what you did. Then finding the square of a number ending with 5 using E Kadikena Purvena. So this was left and right. And then the universal method. 23 हमने example लिया था, इसमें 26 दिया हुआ है, कोई issue नहीं. So this is how you do. Now, before the cubes, yes, we learn how to launch our classes, right? Because we are here to learn how to launch also. पढ़ लिया, पढ़ के करेंगे क्या? घर में हमारे कोई नहीं आ रहा, हमें ही online जाना पड़ेगा, and we'll have to fetch more people to teach. So how to teach those people how to get the business, that is important. Now the first thing is, see, there are 5 things which are required. First, just give me 1 second. So the first thing is thorough course idea and a plan to create. Durga,
Yeah.
please mute yourself.
Yes, yes.
First point is the thorough course idea. Now, why I'm saying thorough course idea? ऐसा तो नहीं है you can start the classes and you don't know what to do. So the first thing is you should be clear about all the topics. All the concept should be clear. This does not mean कि पूरा syllabus आपके हाथ में हो, क्या first day पढ़ाना है, क्या second day, that is not required. But when you are promoting your business, when you are giving the advertisement, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि for whom you are doing it. If you saw my ad, now there were 2 different ads. One ad was going, do you want to conduct such seminars in your schools? So it was a direct hit. Ki yes, all the school owners, principals and the authorities, it was for them. उसमें कोई माँ बाप तो नहीं आएगा कि नहीं मेरे बच्चे को पढ़ा दो. Yes, and the second ad was, yes, do you want to become a trainer? So do you want to learn? So my focus was only on the schools and teachers. Now, when you start your ads, it should not be like learn Vedic mathematics. Learn to karna hai, kisko karna hai? Whom are you targeting? So your targeting audience should be very clear. जब भी आप ad या promotion करेंगे, you should be very clear whom you are targeting. Why? Because every audience has a different taste. Every audience has a different requirement. Now, for example, if you want to teach, you want to start with the school children. Now, which class? Are you going to teach all the students? Or are you going to take specified students, class 3rd, 4th, 5th? Now, these are the tender year students. For them, we don't need to go much deeper in Vedic maths. We need to give them the simplest concepts of addition, subtraction, and basic multiplication and basic division. Why? Because that is all what is required in their classes. Class 3rd ko to division aayega hi nahi. So your ad should be very clear. Yes, I am targeting this, or it is for students of class this. Because you cannot be what you are teaching to class 3rd, 4th, and 5th, that cannot be taught to 6th, 7th, 8th. Now, in the morning session, agar aapne kisi ne dekha ho, there was a topic Vinculum Numbers. In a teacher training course, that the topic is taught in the second lecture. Second lecture itself means it is in the first part, but that is not taught to class 3rd, 4th, 5th. But yes, if a student is of class 6, 7th, 8th, we can go ahead with them. For 9th, we can go ahead. But 10th, 11th, and 12th, they are only focusing on some concepts. They only need some concepts to crack their exams. Usse zyada, they don't want to learn what is Vedic mathematics. They just want you to give some hints so that they can crack their examinations. Yes or no? समझ आ रहा है ये बात?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the target should be very much clear. अगर मैं यही लिख देता लर्न मैथ्स, लर्न वैदिक मैथ्स, क्या आप लोग अप्रोच कर पाते? क्योंकि ऐसा तो रोज देखते हैं आप उसी को हिट करते हैं ना जिसकी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. So first we need to understand the requirement of a person, of our client, of our the parent, of or anybody else, right? So this again I'm saying this does not mean कि सारा कुछ आपके पास सिलेबस पढ़ा हो. शुरुआत हो सकती है. So even after today, after this workshop, you can immediately start taking classes of class 3rd, 4th, 5th. What should be the first topic? Tables. Now, I taught you tables in an hour. But बच्चों के लिए वही दो topics. You need to take at least 6, 7 classes because there you will be revising every topic every time. So 6, 7 classes if you're taking alternatively, that means 15 days gone. So you can, and all those who are really interested to make a career or to make a start in the teaching, this is the best approach. Start teaching them tables. Just give the ad clear. Learn tables up till 999 in 7 days, in 5 days, in 2 weeks, in 1 week, or whatever, however you find it comfortable. And then you will see people will start, mothers will start approaching you. If you think, no, I don't want to deal with small kids, so then go ahead. Bigger one. But yes, for them, students from class 8 and above, you need to be trained yourself because they can ask you any question. छोटे बच्चे तो पूछेंगे ही नहीं, आप जो पढ़ाएंगे वो सुनेंगे. बहुत रेयर वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करवाएंगे. बट बड़े बच्चे तो आपको पूरा पूछेंगे. You all are teachers, so you might have experienced this more than me. Right. So this is very important. Target audience should be very clear in front of you. So if you want to give seminars in the schools, don't give the ad, learn Vedic maths, then school person will not approach you. उनको उन्हीं की language में बताना है. Do you want to conduct such seminars in your, so word seminar will strike to them. And then you have to be thorough with the knowledge, thorough with all the concepts which you are going to teach. Maybe on the first day you are teaching only tables and multiplication of 11. But still, if you are standing in front of a school, there would be every kind of a student, there would be every kind of a teacher, and the way they'll challenge you at every point of time, you can understand. It is human tendency. Is it clear? Any questions you have? Dev Sharan, Kamlakant, Durga?
No.
So thorough knowledge तो बड़ों के लिए चाहिए ही चाहिए आपको. Yes, Aarti, am I clear? Or any
Yes,
point you
sir.
want to make?
No, sir, clear.
Okay. Now, second requirement for online is the first. Yes. इसीलिए मैंने कल बोला था Facebook पेज चाहिए हमें. ये सब काम उसी पे होगा आगे मैं बताऊंगा. Second is the contact list, the email list. Now, today you launched your program, you released an advertisement, but the first day you won't get the queries. So how will you get the client list? So see, people who are residing in any apartment or a community or any colony, they can take it, the data from their people and can share it with them. And you know, more or less in every family, you have one child. So you get your clients through them. If you ask my recommendation, I'll always say, start teaching class 3rd, 4th, 5th first. Why? One is you get more volume. More number of parents will approach you. Because this is the age when parents in class 3rd, 4th, parents want their students, with their child to learn. After 6th, it is also a wish of a child. Right, but initially they force and they want, they are, since they are putting up in this competitive era, they want their kids to be the best. So they want everything that can be given. Right. Second thing. So when I'm talking about contactless, you can get it. There are several other ways you can contact hospitals. You can get it from there. There are so many paid services also. You can get it. So you need it so that you can promote your programs initially, right? Then mouth of word works. Your reviews work. Sorry. Now, third important thing. आपने list है आपके पास, you have material कि yes, I'll be launching this, but where will you launch? So that is known as sales page. See, we are talking here only for online teaching, online business. I'm not telling you you can have an office, you can do this. No, I'm just focusing right now on online. अगर यही हालात रहे, कोरोना फिर आ जाता है, तो you know we all would be again back to our homes. And that time, this will only work. Even nowadays, people are preferring online education, right? So we need a sales page. Now, sales page could be a Facebook, it could be an Instagram, it could be LinkedIn, it could be Quora. So these are the platforms from where you can launch. Right now, these are available free of cost. But sooner or later, these all would be paid media. And then at that time, we'll realize that we were too late. Yes, if you just think, if any one of you are doing business from past 10 years, then just compare your business bills of 10 years back. Now it is very less. Because now you are able to promote through social media. Earlier, there were no such ways. So only advertisement mode was newspapers, very costly. Cable TV, very costly. Pamphlets. Now, who was distributing pamphlets? Nobody knew. So everything has its merits. The social media, if you take it positively, you have a merit. You are in touch with so many people at the same moment or in no less time. Like now you people are from Nepal, so many of you are from Nepal, I'm from India, but still we are working. I have delivered in last 3 months around 25 plus schools I have touched. So many transformations I have done, right? So this you need. I will discuss in detail, in depth, what is a sales page. Now, fourth thing, very important. Why we are working, what for we are working, it is for money, it is for payments. So we should have a way to accept the payments. Now in India, if I talk about, we are very lucky enough, we have a very easy approach. We have got wallets, we have got UPI, easily we can transfer to anyone or anyone can transfer to us. But yes, when we talk about countries like Nepal, they don't allow money to go out. So there you have to manage certain things. There are, yes, one bank, SBI is working, and that is the only option. We don't have simple ways, simple wallets. So because sometimes what happens, you immediately take the decision and you get the transfers. But again, we'll discuss on this also, because there are certain names which I'll tell you which can be beneficial for you to accept the payments. And fifth, last but not the least, terms and conditions. See, when you are launching a course, that means you have your own terms and conditions. Maybe you want to offer everything free of cost, or maybe you're charging a huge money, or maybe you are charging a nominal amount. And how you are charging, how much you are training, what is your syllabus, what is your methodology. So that covers under terms and conditions. Now you cannot copy and paste from others. See, everyone has its own individuality. Same as the terms and conditions have to be different for everyone. Then only it is possible. Clear? So coming to the next slide. Yes, any question on this?
No, sir, no.
Now, everything, you talk about anything, the focus is always on the 2 points. One is content and the second is delivery. Yesterday also I told you the same thing. If you are not giving content, people will not come to you because every mother will check what you'll be giving, ma'am. Like you might have asked me or my representative, yes sir, what will we get after the workshop? So content is very important. So don't worry, if we are talking about Vedic mathematics, you'll get the content, the best content in the world. My books have been already awarded. That is the reason I'm the most viewed writer in Quora. I'm daily giving the inputs. And second is your delivery. Now that you have to work on. So build up your confidence. If you have knowledge, what are you waiting for? Yesterday I told you, age is just numbers. If you don't want to work for money, do it for charity. But don't be stagnant. Khada hua pani bhi, smell kar jata hai. So keep flowing like a river. Whatever is coming, either give some knowledge, share some knowledge every time. If you think you have got knowledge, share it with others. And definitely when you share with others, you will also get some knowledge out of it. Right? Because stagnant water, even it smells. So be like a river. Right? Now, when you are launching it, very important thing is eye-catching content. Now, when you are now everybody is on Facebook, but do we like every image? Do we like every content? No. We get attracted to some content because it might be eye-catching. That means it has something unique in itself. So you also have to work on that point. So you have to have eye-catching content. That means you need to add media, graphics, images, videos in your posts. So when you post regarding Vedic mathematics or anything, I'm just giving an example, it should have a video or an image, and that should give a clear message. Clear? Now you'll say, sir, we don't know how to get it done. So yes, there are softwares for this. Corel, Photoshop. Now all the school owners, all the teachers, they know this. And we have been doing it from past so many years. We have been using Corel, Photoshop for these things. But now the new thing is Canva. Because it is very handy tool. It hardly takes minutes to make a new image and then start promoting. Yes, how many of you have used Canva? Dev Sharan, Aarti, Krishna?
No, not yet, sir, not yet.
Dev Sharan, are you
We
running?
work on Corel.
Sorry?
We work on Corel and Photoshop.
The Corel and Photoshop are difficult to handle because for that you need a laptop or a computer. But for Canva, even your mobile can work easily. So now already we have Android or Apple phones with us. So why not to use it? Canva is a very beautiful tool because you have thousands and thousands of lakhs and lakhs, I would say, images. Pre-made images, just change the name, just put your name, put your content, and the things are ready. And they are too eye-catching. So you can take a screenshot of this and try Canva today. Now, similarly, like we are talking about now, videos are very important. You might have seen one video where I'm saying, okay, do you want to learn Vedic mathematics? Because video ads will give you more mileage. People stop at that and see that. and that is easy conversion than the images also, because visual is always better, right? Now, some of you will say, sir, it's very difficult to speak so much without, how will we cram it? Yes, Krishna? So there is a solution for everything. We have a software called Teleprompter. Now, what is this Teleprompter? You can write whatever you want to speak, and that will float in front of you. And you hold the camera like this, read it and speak it. Nobody would be able to judge whether you are reading it or you remember it. This technique was used very early days in news, DD News. Now they have so many advanced techniques, but this was a concept which was used earlier. Read the script and record. So what was going, the script was floating in front of you. So Teleprompter, this is a free software. You can download it from Android Play Store or Apple Play Store, and you can do it. So you can record any number of videos, whatever you want to speak, but make it limited, 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes, so that people get the complete concept, right? Okay, so you can have a screenshot of this particular slide, because this is from where you can get everything free. Unlimited free images, free videos, free music, free fonts, free ideas, free palettes. So this would be very helpful when you start doing advertisement or postings on your page. This would be very helpful for you. Yes? दुर्गा, आप लोग तो करते होंगे आश्रम के लिए? Yes? So what do you use? Aarti, what about you?
I've never used all of this.
So how do you promote your
You can use this in mobile or only on the laptop?
Mobile also? How do you promote your classes then?
I have actually just started. I've not promoted at all right now.
Okay. Yes, Krishna?
No, actually, our campaign, we do we have team of digital marketing, then we do promotion on website and all this thing.
I agree. You are a big man, big shot. So people are beyond your line, down their line. But the point is, this is not too tough.
Yeah.
And nowadays, we should know what are
this way we can yes, sir. This way we can handle. No, it's on our own.
See, if we don't know what our junior is doing, then we are somewhere struggling. Right?
Yes, sir, definitely. Absolutely.
Because then they'll say, oh, sir, it takes time. The very first simple excuse, sir, it takes time. And you won't believe, hardly it takes few minutes. Right? Okay. So I've given you this links. Please check this. Moving ahead, yes, I said sales page. Now, what is a sales page? I explained you right now. Facebook is there, Instagram is there, LinkedIn is there, so many other are there. But very first question arises, how do you want? You want to deliver recorded sessions or you want to go for live sessions? Yes, what do you think, Dave? Live or recorded is better? And why?
Live.
Why? Now, let me tell you, see, we are dealing with the subject that is mathematics. It needs practice. Now, yesterday also, we were all together for 3 hours. And I asked you a simple question, can we sit for a movie also for 3 hours? It's not possible. So,
yes.
If we are not practicing mathematics, we cannot learn. Now, without asking you, I can say that nobody was able to check the video which I sent. because we are already
Ye-
busy in our schedules. So checking the
Yes,
video,
sir.
if it was possible, everybody would have become scholar today because every content is available on YouTube. So many videos are there, lakhs and lakhs of videos are there already on YouTube, free of cost also are there. And still we are not doing it. Why? Because we need practice. And for practice, particularly when we talk about Vedic mathematics or mathematics, we need live sessions where we can ask our queries. For example, somebody got easily, Dev Sharan was able to calculate very easily, but some was facing a difficulty because two people cannot have the same IQ. So how can we expect two people to follow or to understand our video? This is a big question, right? So this is what you need to decide when you are launching your classes. Recorded or live session, one-on-one or group, right? Now, before Corona, people used to take one-on-one, but definitely after Corona, everybody has suffered losses. So group classes are a better way where you can discuss, like this is a group class going on. Earlier, I used to take only one-on-one. Now, one-on-one means you're spending 6 hours for them, you can charge them good. But then again, it depends what knowledge he's able to get. Now, sometimes what happens is you don't know something, but you don't ask it. But the other person asks and you get the idea. Right? So this is what is to be decided. Sales page. Now, again, if you want everything, some of you might be thinking, yes, I want to start and I'll do with a bang. Free training I'll provide. So let me tell you, if you are looking for free or open workshops, webinars, meetings, classes, then Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp group, and applications like Udemy, YouTube, and LinkedIn are there. So these 6 applications you can use. YouTube, already you know. Facebook, like you saw in the morning, it was live. My session was live. So that was freely available. But my classes are never available because I put it in a other mode. Right now, but the point is, are we getting the mileage from free? Or the people are really interested? Because when you say something free of cost, might be you gather a gathering, you might have a huge rush, but are they all interested in doing it? Or they just came because it was available free of cost? So I always suggest whatever nominal fees you can keep, always keep, because nobody accepts anything free of cost. Nature has given us free air. We have not taken that also. Nature has given us free water. We have not accepted that also. We have polluted it. Right? This is human tendency. If something is, we don't care of it. So if you have given a free class, if you ask for a free class, you'll start at 11 and people will come at 11:45 and they'll say, oh, sorry, I missed it. I was late. One could be genuine, not everyone. But if they have paid something, they will be all at time. And that discipline is required for learning also and for delivering also. Right? That is very important thing. So these are the platforms from where you can launch when you are going for, yes, some sessions could be free also. Like if you want to take a FAQ session or if you want to give some tips. So that cannot be paid, definitely. So you can use these platforms for that. Or if you want to launch your classes, you want to just deliver, okay, making an announcement. So that can be done easily with the help of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp group, applications like Udemy, YouTube, and LinkedIn. But LinkedIn does not allow every user. There is some restrictions. They allow only some people. Right? Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, but if you want a restricted, like we today are having a restricted one, a paid or restricted, both the words are same. Webinars, workshops, meetings, classes. So what we can have a Zoom network. Yes, Zoom also provides you free. See, if you are offering free to someone, nobody can stop you. But mind it, Zoom class above 40 minutes is not free. So when you are giving free, you have to limit yourself up till 40 minutes. Google Meet, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler. So everybody is aware about Zoom and Google Meet. They are the most prominent used softwares for this. Now, what is the benefit and what is the difference in Google Meet and Zoom is we don't get a screen in that, right? What are Thinkific, Teachable, and Zenler? Now, these are called as LMS, Learning Management Systems. That means these are automated. Now, I can take a live class on this. It will get recorded and you'll have logins. You can watch that recording anytime in a certain duration of time. So if you have a password for 1 year or lifetime, you can watch. So you can get notes in that, you can have everything, but definitely this costs a much. So every cost counts. So when you are launching classes, you have to think, yes, I have to pay. If we are looking for a Zoom for 1 year, now minimum is, it is around 13,000 plus taxes. So it was somewhere around 16, 17,000 for 100 participants. If you want, no, I want 300 participants, so the fees becomes more. So such points you need to work out. Yes, if I am offering my class free of cost, but I am paying to Zoom, so why should I offer free? And free, remember, nobody comes, right? Now, Thinkable, Teachers, generally you can use this, but I would suggest at a later time. Once your classes start, you start getting funds, then you can go for it. It is advanced things. Till then, you can use YouTube and make your video and publish. Like I gave you the video yesterday. Now, if you go to my channel, you will not be able to see that video. Or an outsider will not be able to see. But you have the link, then only you are able to see. So this is, you can do this. So payment. Now, there are people who would say, I would like to pay from credit card. Now, credit card, how can you accept? Yes, there are options. Instamozo, Razorpay. These are the two companies which provide payment gateways. And nowadays, signing with them, it takes hardly 1 minute, and within 24 to 48 hours, you get the approval and everything. If I talk about 6 years back, at that time, these companies used to take 6 to 8 working weeks for solving it. First, you need to get bank approval. They had to sign on the bank written paper, then conditions and all. So nowadays, it's very simple. It's an online process, right? So then you can accept from any credit card, any debit card. But yes, they have a fees. They have a convenience fees of 3% approximately. If we talk about international payments, apart from Nepal, all the countries you can take through PayPal. PayPal is also a mode which is in which you can link your credit card and debit card so that you can accept payments as well as pay the payments. GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, this I don't need to explain. All Indian people have these wallets as of now today. In Nepal, you have e-Seva kind of app. So that is also working. But yes, when you have to transfer from India to Nepal or Nepal to India, then you have to ask for the banks. SBI Bank is one, or PNB is one where you can deposit. Otherwise, transact, and that too, they have a limit of 15,000 or 20,000, I suppose. So this is what you need to work on. Any questions now?
No, sir.
I'll just give you a break of 2 minutes. I'll also have water, and we'll start with cubes. So take a break of 2 minutes and we'll we'll start cubing, learning cubes then, right? So it is 4:19, only 1 minute, okay. Yes, yeah, and do you need it or not? Break चाहिए देव? 2 मिनट का के ले
No,
लिया?
sir.
No, sir. Continue, sir.
मैं 1 मिनट में आता हूँ, अच्छा ठीक है. Give me
Yes,
1
yes,
minute, I'll just come.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Okay. So let's restart. So take out your paper and pen and we'll start with cubes. Now, what is cube of a number?
Multiplying thrice.
Multiplying
Thrice.
3
times.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Yes, Aman, Krishna, Durga.
Multiplying the same digit 3 times.
Okay. Yes. So it is n cube. That means, so this is a representation. That means n into n into n. So if a number is 1, so 1 cube is again 1. 2 cube is
8.
8.
8. 3 cube is
27.
great. So please write down this table once again. And again, I'll say this would be, we'll be using this for bigger numbers, right? So write down this. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 is 216, 7 is 343, 8 is 512, 9 729, and 10 is 1000. Is it done?
Yes.
Very good. So now we'll do it very interestingly. Not so. Let's first we'll start with numbers from 11 to 99. So that means all the 2-digit numbers we'll be covering today. And to make it interesting, let me divide all these numbers into 4 types. First type, numbers starting with 1. What are the numbers starting with 1?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So that means 11 to 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 19. Correct? Second,
Yes.
numbers ending with 9, ending with 1. I told you we'll make it magic. So ending with 1 means again 11, 21, 31, 41, and 91. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. Then numbers having both digits same. So what are those numbers?
11, 22, 33,
Perfect.
like this.
99. Right. And the last, all left numbers. जो इसमें नहीं आया, left out numbers. Now that would include 12. Sorry, 12. 23, 24, 98. So it would start. Yes,
Yes.
20 भी आएगा, but 20 वैसे ही easy होता है, इसलिए नहीं किया मैंने. 21 first, second में आ गया, 22 first में आ गया, so 23 onwards will do. So let's start with first. Numbers starting with 1. Let's take an example of 12. So if I calculate 12, it is, we generally do this. 12 into 12 is 144. Yes.
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 And then we again multiply by 12. Those students don't do directly. They'll take 2 steps, then add, and then again they'll multiply 144 with 12. And the answer is 1728. So that means 4 times multiplication, 2 times addition. So many corrections have to be done. Now see the magic. It's an easy way. First step, I'll do the same question in 4 steps. First step, make 4 spaces available. Second step, write 1 at the first position, A, second this. Any doubt in first 2 steps?
No.
Why did I took 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 3? Why not 6? Yes, Dave.
Yes.
Why I took only 4 spaces? Why not 5? Why not 6? Why not 3? Yes, Aarti?
I don't know the cube concept, so I've not learned it.
Okay. Yes, anyone? Dave?
Because it's
No, sir.
only 2 numbers.
Because Ellie?
No, it's only 2 numbers and 2 cube requires only 4.
Why? That is what I'm saying. So the answer is wrong. Okay. See, what was the cube of 10?
1000.
1000.
So how many digits?
4.
4 digits.
So that means minimum 4 to हमें चाहिए.
Yes.
See, that is the reason, the minimum. Now we are starting from 11 to 99. How can we have less than 4? And if we talk about
Yes.
why not 5, why not 6? Because the most leftmost position can have any numbers. So we cannot go less than that. Extra होंगे वो तो हम यहाँ डाल सकते हैं. Got my point? Okay.
Yes.
Now, third step. Whatever is the second number, find the square of it. What is square of 2?
4.
Put it here. What is cube of 2?
8.
8. Put it here. Any doubt up till here?
No.
So at fourth step, I have 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct?
Yes.
Now, don't do anything here. Don't do anything here like pally scheme. Double kar do इन्हें. What is double of 2?
4.
4.
Double of 4?
8.
Add 8. 12 का 2. 1 इधर गया 7. Did you understand? Okay, I'll do one more so that you understand. Okay, you can write down first. Yes, Aarti, I hope
One.
it might be clear with you now.
Yes, sir.
This we have to give a funny way to kids. Then only they'll.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
Can you explain C number, sir? Third step.
Third
Once.
step is जो भी डिजिट आपका A होगा, सॉरी B
Yes.
होगा, जो मिडल में है उसका पहले स्क्वायर लेना है. थर्ड स्टेप पे
Yeah.
लिखना, फिर क्यूब लेना है, फोर्थ स्टेप पे लिख देना है.
Yes. Okay. Got it.
I'll do one more question, then it will be, you can ask your doubts again. Okay, we'll do on
Take
this.
17.
Let's say number as 14. अब मैं 4 स्टेप्स नहीं लूंगा. फर्स्ट पे 1 लिखा, सेकंड पे 4 लिखा. व्हाट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 4?
Oh, 64.
स्क्वायर ऑफ 4.
16.
Square 16.
क्यूब ऑफ 4.
64.
64.
Durga, what happened?
I don't know.
Don't know मतलब क्या हुआ, मैंने पूछा.
पिंटू कौन फोन करिए?
तो इसको डबल किया 8, इसको डबल किया 32, ऐड कर दिया 64, 48, 12, 1. तो क्या आया? 4 as it is. 6 इधर गया, क्या हुआ? 54. 4, 5 इधर गया तो क्या हुआ? 7. 1 उधर गया. Now is it clear? वही बैलेंसिंग लाइंस कल टेबल्स में भी वही किया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी वही किया, स्केयरिंग में भी वही है, क्यूबिंग में भी वही है, एंड इवन डिवीजन में भी वही है.
Yeah.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, if it is clear, please solve 13 cube.
हजुर
3 का स्क्वायर होगा 9, 3 का क्यूब होगा 27. So 3 का डबल होगा 6, 9 का डबल होगा 18, and you'll get 2197. See, you are getting it or not?
No. 2197. Oh,
Yes. Yes, Kamalakanta.
2197.
Yes, Dev. मैंने
Sir, don't. Sir, don't.
2197.
Okay.
197.
Yes, Aarti. Krishna.
I'm doing, sir.
इतना नहीं है लंबा.
What the answer? But this
1, 3, 9, 27. So 6, 18. क्या हुआ? 27, 27.
Kanta mo class na zoom चीजें करनी कर जो
1. So 2 goes here. So 7. 7 and 2 it becomes 9. 9 and 2 becomes 11. So 1 and 2. कितनी इजी कैलकुलेशन हो गई. नहीं तो आप कितनी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, कितने स्क्वायर, कितनी एडिशन करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes.
Yes, Durga. What happened?
Sir, if there any other way or this is the way? And other way if there any?
अदर भी बता
This
दूंगा
should be-
भाई. जो करा रहा होता हूँ वही आपको पसंद नहीं आता, बाद में कहते हो कि मैं.
नहीं सर, हम तो कर रहे हो मगर कोई अदर वे क्या है?
अब हम रुक
Who
गए
है
हैं.
other way भी?
हमने बंद कर दिया क्या कमलकांत?
अच्छा जी सर.
हाँ।
ओके सर.
हम कर रहे हैं अभी तो.
कंटिन्यू.
Next question.
19 क्यों निकालिए? तो 9 का स्क्वायर होता है 81 एंड क्यूब होता है 729. दे दिया मैंने आपको. करिए.
1981729.
The question is, sir,
19 क्यूब.
19.
ये लिखा हाँ,
Sir, 162.
192172.
सर मेरा तो हुआ 3943729।
क्या
गलत है।
yes Aarti, what is the answer?
Six eight five nine.
Got it? Okay.
6859.
Yes, Dev, you got it. Kamalakanta, you got it.
हाँ सर हाँ।
Now the second thing, when number is ending with 1, so 21 for example, again procedure वही है, 4 steps बना सकते हैं आप, पर नहीं करना चाहते अभी कोई बात नहीं, इजी बना देता हूँ। बट अब क्या करना है, पहले यहां से शुरू किया था, अब उल्टी तरफ से शुरू कर लीजिए, सिर्फ फर्स्ट से लेके उल्टी तरफ से कर लीजिए, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग। अगेन 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 2 का क्यूब 8, अगेन डबल उसको कर दीजिए, तो 9 2 6 1। और हम 21 को कैसे निकालते हैं, 21 into 21 is 441, and then 21 where we make silly mistakes. Is this tough now?
Easy.
Easy, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions you have?
सर एक बार 19 का करके दिखाया ना,
हो गया वो?
करा था फिर डाउट में क्या आ रहा है यार।
अभी जब टाइम देंगे तो अभी पहले ये क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं आप, आपको ये नहीं आएगा फिर अगले में जो जिस
नहीं
टाइम
सर,
करा
ये
रहे
तो
हैं
मैं
वो करिए। कमलकांत,
ये कर दिया मैं सर, कर
डोंट
दिया सर।
और कुछ करना, सिर्फ एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तो अब आपको भी करनी पड़ेगी ना, पका पकाया नहीं सारा खाना।
19 का डाउट है सर थोड़ा।
सबको डाउट है, चलिए क्या डाउट है बोलिए। 1 9 9 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है देव?
8 हुआ।
क्यूब कितना होता है कमलकांत?
7 to 9।
ठीक है, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम आया हमें? एटी वन का डबल कितना होता है?
162।
162।
7 to 9 243 27 1। ठीक है,
ओके।
9 का 9 आ गया, 72 यहाँ ऐड करो, क्या आया?
5।
5 आ गया, 31 आगे ऐड करो तो क्या आया? 5 आगे गया तो क्या आया?
8।
यस देव, क्या डाउट था?
यस सर, गॉट इट सर।
नहीं, मैथ्स अगर ऐसे ही सीखेंगे फिर नहीं आएगा ना, हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं दे दूंगा तो आ जाएगा। इसमें कहाँ गलती हुई मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे। यस,
एडिशन में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज है, दिस बैलेंसिंग लाइन में थोड़ा डाउट हो गया था।
चलिए
बैलेंसिंग
कोई बात, प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा, हो जाएगी। 61 का कीजिए स्क्वायर, क्यूब, सॉरी स्क्वायर बोल रहा हूँ।
Nine.
226981.
Okay,
226981.
very good. Yes, Aarti.
226981, sir.
Yes, Aarti, did you get the answer? Aarti, are you there or not?
No, sir, I didn't get.
Why? Not interested?
No, I didn't get the answer.
Why? Where is the total? 1, 6. What is square of 6?
36.
What is cube of 6?
216.
Then 36 2 is 72, 12, 1, 18.
40, 32.
Huh?
Oh, I was doing the double of 216. I didn't do the double of 6. Okay.
Only middle term.
Okay, okay.
If you'll not ask your doubts, who will clear them? I'm here to clear it. So you can ask. Got it? Okay. So now, before moving to the other, yes, anything you want to ask? Before moving to the
Clear
other part.
now, sir.
Okay, great. So before moving to the third and fourth, let me tell you about the program. See why we are here, why we attended the workshop, because we are interested to become the trainer. So I'll just share you what is a training module, what is a training program all about, what do we learn in that, and how much will be getting out of that. I'll just share you. If you have seen the ad, there was 6 weeks. So not 6 weeks will not take 6 weeks, will take 14 weeks. How it is 6, I'll give you the brief. See, generally a teacher training module is around 66 plus hours. Now, this cannot be done overnight. You can understand. So 2 ways are there, either weekend batch. So weekend means only Saturday and Sunday, or weekdays batch. That means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So if it is weekdays weekend batch, 2 hours are given. We have batches evening 7 to 9 or 9 to 11. 2 batches are going. So that means 4 hours in a week. So you'll take around 16 to 17 weeks to complete. 17 weeks you'll take. Similarly, if you go for this, it will take around 11 weeks. Earlier, there was a batch which was 3 hours. We used to take 3 hours. So 9 hours in a week. So that was completing in only 6 weeks, 9, right? But now people are, because after Corona, now they are doing their jobs also. It's not going on totally 100% for this. So they have other works. So we are limiting it for 2 hours only. Now, what we covered, see, entire course is divided into 6 steps. I won't not say levels, I'll say steps, because level means intermixing of the things. No, step means you have what you learned first step, thorough. So first step would be the introduction, terminology. This we learned yesterday, a brief of it. Then complement of a number, digital root. Now, do you know what is the problem of the students? They don't know how to verify their answers. And in Vedic maths, we have a very simple way. Just adding the digits and we get the answer, is it correct or not? We learned yesterday multiplication tables, but one more method is there for around Vinculum numbers. So 5th and 6th are Vinculum numbers. Today I had a session with other trainers. So I've given this topic Vinculum numbers. If you want to see that, that is available on the Facebook for today's morning. So this will deal with Vinculum numbers, additions and subtraction. First step. Second is 100% multiplication by one particular method that is known as Nikhilam Sutra. Now you cannot multiply 3 numbers right now. Just you saw 12 into 12 into 12. You cannot multiply in normal multiplication. So if I ask you 12 into 13 into 14, that's not possible. But it is possible in Vedic maths. It is possible to multiply simultaneously 4 digits. Even it is not possible to add and subtract simultaneously in normal mathematics. You have to segregate, but here it is possible. So many things which were not possible in mathematics that has been made possible and easy in Vedic mathematics. Third book is entire multiplication, but with the different concepts. Your fast multiplication, mental multiplication, like yesterday we did one of it, 11. 9th topic and 10th 111 we did, but there are so many such methods. And algebra, algebraic multiplication, if you go for it in normal way, you take 6 to 7 steps, but here it comes in single step. So that saves time. So if you are targeting only 8th class, just go for 1 batch a month, algebra. I promise you, you'll get more than 20 candidates in 1 batch. Don't go for anything else. Only algebra, 1 batch, 1 month. So yes, you can have multiple batches. Means this is how you can approach. Fourth, it starts with concept of doubling. Doubling is nothing but multiplication with 2. You'll say, what is this? Yes, it is a fast multiplication where you will be using both your brains, right as well as left. It is a very good mental exercise. So you can multiply with 2, 4, 8 immediately. Then squaring we did today. So we did 6th topic, that was method to find square of 2-digit number. Then we did 7th topic for Ikadikena Purvena, and we did 11th method. So rest are still pending. Cubes, we are doing the first approach, right? So this step deals with 3rd and 4th. Fourth is with squaring and cubing. 5th, it starts with division part. We have 5 different concepts of division in Vedic maths. Apart from that, Kevalam, Saptam, LCM, HCF, fractions, all the problems of students. So we have divided this is teacher training program. 6th is square roots, cube roots, divisibility. Now, whosoever is maths teacher, they might be knowing we don't have a divisibility rule of 7, 13 in normal maths. It is there in Vedic maths, right? So entire syllabus, we are charging somewhere around 18,000, but now for the workshop, it is 12,999. What do you get? One is you'll be taught. Second, you get international certification. That certificate would be valid internationally. 1 set of books that cost you around 1,320. So you'll get hard copy books, not soft copy PDF. No. All the designs. See, when you are promoting your classes, you can take our designs, just remove our name and put your name. So many such schools, institutions, they are already doing, they have taken from our services, right? All the letters, support, templates, you get free out of this, and 1 year's support, right? This is what I gave you. So whosoever would be interested, we can talk later personally. Right now, let's continue with the third topic, third part. And
सर
yes,
सर
Kamalkant.
टाइमिंग सर क्या है?
टाइमिंग बैचेस होते हैं शाम को 6 से 8 और रात को 9 से 11।
ठीक है
दो
ठीक है
बैचेस
ओके
वीकेंड होते हैं, 2 वीकडेज होते हैं। अभी अब बैच शुरू जो होना है वो होना है मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे, दैट इज वीकडेज 6 to 8। अदर बैचेस आर राइट नाउ फुल, right? And I take only 8 maximum students. 6 to 8 is the strength which I take, not more than that, so that everybody gets thorough knowledge. जैसे यहाँ क्वेश्चंस किए हैं इतने, ऐसे ही वहां भी रोज क्वेश्चंस होंगे, तभी मैथ्स आएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा। So if you are ready for that, to practice so many questions, you are most welcome, right? But I can assure only one thing, ki after that you don't need to be struggling in Vedic maths at least. Right? Okay. So third is the most easiest. What was third? Yes, Dev. Third type kaun se the numbers?
Multiple of 11.
Yes, it was basically multiple of 11 because we said both the digits are same. Now let's say number is 22. सबसे easy है, चारों positions पे 2 का cube रख दो। What is cube up to?
8.
Right, 8. And then follow the last step. So 8, 4, 6, 10. Is it clear? Yes, is it clear? A doubt है इसमें भी?
यस सर क्लियर
Clear.
So do for 11. Yes, Durga, is it clear? Aarti,
Yes, sir.
easy है ना बच्चों के लिए?
1 for 11 is 1331.
Very good. Anyone has a doubt in this part? This particular? So it was the most easiest one. कोई भी number हो, 77 का करना है, तो what is cube of 7? What is cube of 7?
343
343.
So write down 343, 343, 343, 343. डबल कर दीजिए 6, 8, 6, 6, 8, 6. ऐड कर दीजिए and then follow the balancing. हो जाएगा, करिए।
सर 4 5 6 6 3 3
Okay. Yes, clear to everyone? थक गए लगता है, आवाज भी नहीं निकल रही। Yes, Aman, Durga, Aarti, only Kamalkant and Dev, they are active, others are finished.
Yes, trying, sir.
40883.
Wrong. You're doing balancing wrong. 343. What is this? 921029. 1029. 343. So 3 only here. 34 plus 29 is
46519, sir.
so 3. 106 goes here. 5 3 1 1. So 5. So that means 113 goes here. 4 5 6. Yes, where was the doubt, Aarti?
I missed one step. I didn't do the addition.
So practice today, you'll get it. Yes, Durga? Okay, so now let's come to the last point, left out numbers. So now you have to work. You have to remember the concept formula is, okay. Remember that, what is a plus b whole cube? Yes, Dev.
A cube
Yes, sir.
plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Plus 3AB into A plus B.
मतलब 3ab square plus 3ab square, correct?
हाँ सर.
चलिए इसको हम इजी करते हैं यहाँ पर a क्यूब. सेकेंड स्टेप पे 3 नहीं करना अभी, क्योंकि 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा हमें. a b a स्क्वायर b b स्क्वायर a b क्यूब. Let's take an example 23. a अगर 2 है तो a क्यूब कितना हुआ 8. a स्क्वायर b कितना हुआ 4 into बताइए 12.
Yes, sir.
कुछ गलत लिखा मैंने?
No, sir.
समझ नहीं आया?
Got it, sir. Got
अब देखो हम क्यों डबल करते थे, 24 36 क्यों करते थे, आप समझिए. अब अगर इसमें डबल करा तो क्या हो गया, वही आ गया 3a स्क्वायर b.
Yes, sir.
सारे फॉर्मूले निकाले जाते हैं इससे पहले अनुरूपेण सूत्र में, पर वो आज डेरिवेशन ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज नहीं कर सकते थे हम, यहाँ आपको इजी ही बताना था. सो 27 4 54 36 8. So that means 7 6.
सर ये फिर से बताएंगे 8 12.
आप थे कहाँ इतनी देर से, मैं बोल ही जा रहा हूँ, आप जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे, ऑन करके चले गए थे कहीं.
नहीं सर मैं यही हूँ.
अगर मैं आपका जवाब ना दूं अब तो आपको आंसर तो करना चाहिए ना, थोड़े तो समझिए. इसीलिए मैं वीडियो बोलता हूँ, ये जब आप पढ़ाएंगे आपको भी यही लगेगा. अब बोलिए क्या नहीं आया समझ.
ये फॉर्मूला समझ आया, उसके नीचे जो 8 12 थोड़ा सा
A
एक बार.
is 2 B is 3, तो a स्क्वायर कितना हुआ
8.
a स्क्वायर कितना हुआ.
इसका एक ही
ए स्क्वायर पूछ रहा हूँ, ए स्क्वायर 8 कैसे हो सकता है, स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 8 कैसे होगा.
एक का स्क्वायर 2 to the 4 हो गया. 2 to the 4
4 into 3 कितना हुआ
12.
तो यही तो है, ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी कितना हुआ 12. बी स्क्वायर है 3 स्क्वायर इंटू ए 18. आप समझा.
हाँ सर समझ गया.
ठीक है, उसका डबल किया तो मैं वही शो कर रहा था. देखो वही हम करते थे, डबल इसलिए करते थे इस फॉर्मूले में आने के लिए. बट अगर मैं यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई डायरेक्ट करने लग जाऊं तो वी ऑल विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. गॉट इट. अब ये आ गया 7 6 1 1 2 आ गया. चेक करो.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
ओके अब देखो कोई भी नंबर ले लो पुराने वाला, तो हमने 4 ऊपर 3 मेथड्स किए हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था 12. अब 12 में a कितना है 1, b कितना है 2, a स्क्वायर b कितना हुआ
2.
और b स्क्वायर a कितना हुआ
4.
और चलिए तो पहले स्टेप पे लिखा a क्यूब 1, a स्क्वायर b मतलब 2,
हाँ
a मतलब 4
हाँ सर कौन बोले पिंटू
और b क्यूब कितना हुआ
वो बता
8,
4. 8.
2
ये पारिए किंतु कौन अब के जाने
b क्यूब कितना हुआ आरती
8. 8.
8। तो यही तो हम पैटर्न निकालते थे, हम क्या करते थे फर्स्ट डिजिट फर्स्ट, फिर सेकंड, फिर उसका स्क्वायर ले लेते थे उसका क्यूब। वो एक फन वे में आपने उसको बना लिया, फॉर्मूले से भी तो वही आया। अगर आपको फॉर्मूला याद कर लेते हैं a क्यूब a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर a, तब भी तो वही आया। इज इट क्लियर?
1728.
आ गया? तो दिस इज द लास्ट, ये फॉर्मूला
1728.
सर ये एक्सक्यूज सर ये छोटे बच्चे के लिए मतलब 4, 5, 6 बच्चे के लिए
आप स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं कमल कांत?
Any kid can do. Third standard kid also can do if I teach them.
And second thing, do they have cubes in their syllabus? That is the first thing. So that is the point. Yes, any doubts now, Kamal Kant? Apart from this, कि बच्चे कर पाएंगे या नहीं? बच्चे कर जाएंगे, don't worry about it.
नहीं सर नो डाउट
आप बच्चों पे डाउट मत कीजिए बार बार। हाँ, आपको नहीं आया समझ वो पूछ लीजिए मुझसे।
So we can apply the same rule for any number actually.
See, in Vedic maths we have 4 approaches. This is basically a trick of Anupena Sutra. Then we have a Nikhilam Sutra. Now Nikhilam, how do we derive? If you remember, we have done multiplication of 3 numbers using base method. So from there we get the formula. Third approach is Yavaduman Sutra. Fourth is your Ikadikena Provena. So 4 ways are there to solve problems in cubes. But yes, in cubes we don't get bigger numbers. It is all it's maximum 3 or 4 digits. And Yavaduman and this approach is the best one. It is the most easiest one.
Yeah, the first one is easy. This can be approached for any number.
The only thing is we have to follow the same thing, A and B.
Got it. First square it, then cube it.
No, not that. A and B means if you take a 3-digit number, 107. So if you are taking 10 as A, then 1 digit at every place. If you are taking 07, then 2 digits at every place. So that only thing has to be remembered. And if it is a double 4-digit number, 1122, so then everywhere 2 digits. And more than that, you don't get. Practice to maths cannot come without practice. I think I have given sufficient practice today also, but still you have to give it. You have to take it. Right? Yes.
Actually, I have not done the cube part.
Any questions, Krishna?
No, sir. No.
Kamal Khan, Dev?
No,
okay
sir.
sir no doubt
Chalo. So let's wrap up this session, and thank you very much for being patient. 3 घंटे आपने भी बिताए, so it was right. So thank you very
sir.
much
Thank
once
you.
again. And
Thank you.
again, you'll be getting homework, you'll be getting video, and you'll be getting certificates also. So don't worry. So e-certificates would be issued, right? So, but by late evening, right? Okay then.
Thank you.
Bye.
okay sir thank you
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.